Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share a really cute pearl kind of nail art that I just created, but also a collaboration that I am doing with Happiness Boutique, because happinessboutique.com is actually a web store. I have worked with them a couple of months before as well. I received some beautiful rings back then, but for today's video I was able to look for a beautiful necklace and I chose this gorgeous like sweet water pearl one. It is such a gorgeous, it's kind of like a choker necklace because it is quite short, and of course you can pair it up with any other accessories, necklaces that you like. I tend to wear this necklace a lot, which is actually a gift that I got from my parents when I graduated university, so I kind of wear that non-stop for the last couple of weeks. And yeah, this pearl necklace, let me just get a little up close and personal so you can actually see. It has a beautiful heart-shaped clasp, which I love, and this is also the reason like why I chose this particular item, was because I can also wear it as a bracelet, and that is something that I love. I love to have multifunctional kind of jewelry, accessories, and so on. So yeah, this necklace contains beautiful sweet water pearls. So they all have a unique shape, form, color. None of them is exactly the same, and I just love that. I love pearls, especially the ones that are still very natural looking and haven't been processed or perfectly round in shape and such. So yeah, I decided to do a little nail art to combine this with, and I especially focused on my thumb. There are some beautiful pearls in there, and yeah, let's just quit rambling and get into the nail art, because that is why you guys are here on my channel. But first, if you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. Oh, and for the record, I do have a discount code if you want to check out the Happiness Boutique yourself. They have a ton of beautiful jewelry, and if you're like me and you like to accessorize a little bit every now and then, but do keep an eye out for really good quality items, definitely check them out. I have a discount code. I will leave it in the description box as well as the pinned comment. But yeah, let's go on to the nail art. Thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well. So before I'm going into the whole nail art design, which is pretty easy to do as well, of course you want to start off with clean nails. So I had just removed my previous manicure, and as you can see I still had some gel polish left on my thumb because I actually had a tear in there, and my ring fingernail is starting to slowly but steadily grow back long again. But let's take a look at the packaging where the pearl necklace choker actually came in. I really love the little quote in there: "You glow differently when you're happy," and it really is true that when you're happy you do have a certain glow and just vibe going on around you, and it is kind of contagious as well. I always try to be a positive, happy person, and of course no one is perfect, no one can always be happy and perfect and all that jazz, but if you at least try to be, it is quite contagious, and other people will generally feel a little bit happier when they're near you as well. So yeah, always try to stay positive, even though life can be really dark sometimes. Just try it at least. But yeah, this little necklace is, as I mentioned, also a bracelet for me. I am going to wear it mostly as a choker, I guess, but if I'm not really feeling into wearing necklaces, I can just easily wrap it around my wrist twice and wear it as a bracelet. But yeah, back to the nail art, because that is why you're here, as I mentioned in my intro part as well. I'm going to start off with my base. Of course, I'm using my favorite one, which has been my favorite for months. At the moment, like, you know, I've been raving about this one for so long. It is by PJR Care nail polish, or PJR Care nail polish. I always mess up that name. I don't know why it is. Maybe it's just because I'm really tired now. I'm recording this voiceover, but it is PJR Care nail polish. That is the name of the brand. It is an original Dutch brand and you can get them online. I'm just not really sure if they ship worldwide, but if you are in Europe, I am pretty sure you can get them as well, or at least send them a little message on Instagram asking if they can ship to where you live. I also have a discount code for PJR Care nail polish, so if you're interested in that, it's always in the description box down below. But the color that I'm going to use is actually one by Essie, and this was the color that just came straight to my mind when I saw this necklace, and this one is really pretty. It is actually from the spring collection from 2021. It's called Get Oasis. It is a beautiful, creamy, natural looking kind of polish, very much pearl like when it comes to the tone. It doesn't really have a pearlescent finish or anything like that, but it does have a beautiful kind of like orangey shimmer to it. It's really beautiful, and I really wanted to use this polish, even though the heart shape like clasp on my necklace is sterling silver, so that is silver. You can also get this particular necklace or choker, however you want to call it, in a rose gold clasp or a gold. So yeah, I really just wanted to put that out there, is that if you're not into silver colors like me, you can just switch it up and get the gold one or the rose gold one. It is pretty much up to you what you want to do. So yeah, in the end, I just skipped a whole bunch of footage to not make this video super long. I just applied 2 layers of that Essie color and just let that dry for, I think, 5 to 10 minutes a layer. And I am going to apply some really beautiful half pearls and some other gorgeous like embellishments that I have in my collection. And I'm going to adhere those with the mirror top coat by PJR Care. One thing I want to put out there, if you're not really fast in like gem or pearl application like I'm doing in this particular design and this video, make sure that you use a top coat that isn't fast drying. This one by PJR Care is very fast drying, and I have not really taken a lot of time to really apply these like embellishments, let's just put it to that, because I am already quite fast in application. But I didn't feel like I really had to rush, because I did apply a little bit of like a thicker layer of that top coat to really like push those half pearls in there. So for the thumb, which is the nail I'm mostly focusing on, that is like the showstopper of this design and pretty much my entire like inspirational design when it came to this beautiful freshwater pearl, I have to say, necklace. In the intro part, I actually mentioned it as a sweetwater pearl, and it is pretty much the same, like sweetwater is actually freshwater, but calling it sweetwater pearls was pretty Dutch of me, because in Dutch, fresh water is actually called zoetwater, which is sweet water in English. So yeah, that was just a little like brain fart of me being very literal in my translation. So yeah, fresh water is actually sweet water, so sorry about that. It are freshwater pearls. And I also wanted to mention, because I don't think I did this in the intro part, that this necklace is 59 euros and 90 cents, so it isn't super affordable, but because these are real pearls, like natural pearls, these aren't like made or something like that in some kind of factory, it is a little bit more expensive. So yeah, it is pretty decently priced, to be honest. I do have another pearl necklace which is actually black or bluish kind of pearls, which was way more expensive, and it has a golden clasp kind of similar to this one, but just with like a little round ball. So yeah, pearls can be really expensive. So when it comes to looking at prices from pearl necklaces or bracelets or anything like that, like a little below 60 euros is actually a pretty good deal. And I just love the way this necklace looks. It's really gorgeous. But yeah, for the rest of my nails, as you can see, I just added some other like half pearls. I didn't really want to like overkill it with the pearls, even though it is all about a pearl necklace. And yeah, I just love it. It's so pretty. Unfortunately, I only had like the perfectly round half pearls. Like I didn't have any like super natural ones looking, just like the pearls in my necklace do. But yeah, I still pretty much love this design, and it looks really cute on the shorter nail as well. Just make sure to not do it, like overdo it with the pearls on the shorter nail. Just add 1 or 2 or maybe even 3 like I did on the pinky and the index finger. But yeah, I am pretty much obsessed with how this turned out. I loved to wear this nail art design as well. I think I wore it for like 3 days and then I have to switch it up because I had some other nail art designs that I wanted to record and some other like swatch videos and stuff. So yeah, that is just a little extra information. I didn't wear this for a full week, and to be honest, with my very manual job, like my daytime full-time job, I would have lost some pearls anyway, so I just wore it throughout my weekend. And yeah, I just can't stop looking at how gorgeous these fresh water pearls are. I love the fact that they're all unique and they all have their own like unique special like pearliness to it. Let's just put it at that. Like, it all has their own unique shine and sheen to it. I think it's really gorgeous. But yeah, this was pretty much my entire new video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this necklace, which is also pretty much usable as a bracelet, as you can see right here. I have mostly worn it as a necklace for now, and yeah, it's holding on really nicely, even though it is such a delicate piece. I really love that. I also really love the heart-shaped clasp. It's really easy to open, and yeah, to even wrap it around my wrist a couple of times. I do have a little bit of like space or length left when I wear it on my wrist, but I don't mind it being a little bit dangly when it comes to that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. It's a quick and easy manicure, nail art design, and so on. But if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. I really want to thank you all so much for your ongoing support. It really means the world to me, and I am planning on doing a new giveaway once I have reached 40k subscribers. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. And yeah, I would love to see you guys in one of my next videos.